Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our second lesson and our lesson topic is CapCut Web Interface. So in this class, you will be learning how to use CapCut in your particular web and what are the different options or the different tools present in CapCut. So let's go over to our CapCut web and see what are there. After coming over to our particular CapCut, you can see lots of different options are here. Unlike some other online tools, it's also kind of similar. So now let's go over here from our left. So in the left, you can see the CapCut logo is there. And the next one is Create New. In Create New, when you are hovering here, then you will have this particular option popping up. Here you can see the three sections: video, image, magic tool. In video, you can just start with a blank canvas. Also, you're having the ratios for 16:9, 9:16, 1:1. This is all the ratio for your particular video. 16:9 is for YouTube and Facebook. Then 9:16 is for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. 1:1 for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. Then image, you can just customize the size. Then Instagram post, Instagram stories, then Facebook post. Then magic tools are here. In magic tools, you can just give a script. It will just generate a video. Clips to video. Then image upscaling. You can just upscale your particular image. AI color correction and many more are there. We'll be seeing that in this video. Then the next one is start option. In the start option, if you click over here, you will have this particular thing popping up where you will have here a search option. You can search anything, any templates from here. If you select over here, you can select between video and image. Then here you can just see the download CapCut option. Then task center, then taskbar, notification, help, and your account information will be here. Then here it is asking you, what can we help you create today? So here is some suggestions you can just use. I just selected the video one. So in video, you can just start with new video, clips to video, script to video, long video to short. This is a beta one. Then produce URL to ads. And then here you're having so many other templates. You can just use these templates and you can work with this one. The next one is image. This is the new section. Recently they added. In image option, they are recommending you different type of templates over here. Instagram post, Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnail, TikTok, and many more. Here also what is going trending. And then here you can see start with templates. Here different templates are there. You can just customize these templates and you can work with this one. Then the next one is template. In template option, here also you're having the search bar. You can search any templates. You can access different templates from here. Suppose you want a TikTok template, you click over here and you'll get the TikTok templates over here. Also image, if you select image, you can get image templates over here also. Then the next one is recent drafts. If you click over recent drafts, you can see it's blank now because I didn't have any particular edit or any drafts recently. If you have any edits or particular file open recently, it will be shown here. Then the next one is share and schedule. If you click over here, it will just give you the share history, whichever you have shared with different person or different person shared with you will be shown here. Then in schedule, you can just customize the schedule, which date your particular video should be published or you should submit to your particular client or anything. You can just do from here. Then the next one is magic tools. This is quite interesting because Here, so many options are there which is integrated with AI. So you can work with AI. Also, some are based on particular engines or particular models. So the first one you can see as long video to short. You can just make long video to short. Then batch edit, you can just edit so many photos together. You want to remove background for 3 different photos or 10 different photos, you can do all together. Or you can just change the color for all 10 different photos, you can do here. The next one is remove background. If you want to remove background for your particular video or image, you can just do over here. Then video upscaler. Here you can just upscale your video quality and the resolution. You can just upscale from here. Then the next one is image upscaler. Here you can just upscale and increase the resolution for your particular image. Then create with AI. Here you can see the AI option. You give the script and it will just generate a video based on the script, and it will add different videos, different photos in your particular project or in your particular video. Then clip to video. Here you can just add different clips together and you can have a long video. Then the next one is AI character. You can just use this as like a person. You give some random prompt or random text. It will just give you the output with a person. The next one is text to design. If you give a text over here, it will just design for you. Then product URL to ads. You can just add product URL over here and then you can create ads. Then the next one is long video to short. You can just make short videos. Then AI model, you can just use this as for different mockups like t-shirt design and many more. Then the next one is product photos. You can just create product photos. You can just randomly paste your photos in different places and different scenarios. Then add script. You can just add script over here. For videos, same options are here. If you go over here also, you can see the trending, which all are trending now. Then create with AI. I just mentioned this one. Then for videos, you can see here. Then the next one is for images. For images, here are different options are there, such as text to image. You can give text and it will just generate image. You can just give image and it will just generate image based on that particular image. Then you can just increase the resolution for your old photos and you can do things. And then portrait generate. You can just generate portraits with the help of CapCut. And then color correction and many more other there. So here you can see you'll have 5 GB of storage if you invite 2 people to join CapCut. Also, you can just have the storage over here, whichever video you're storing here. You can create a different space over here by clicking on this and it will just ask some random things. And then you can just add members and then you'll have space over here. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you're having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.